day 25 of the 28-day project, and we're going to do some more watercolor. I'm going to work with, I got this pencils lines laid down, and then I put some white wax crayon through here. I'm working with, I think try some pink today in the sky and other places. And we'll just kind of see what we can make. Let's get started. Okay, got our wet brush. Give a little spray here. Come in with the Payne's Gray. Let's start here at the top. Lots of watery color, which we learned yesterday is the key. For vibrant skies. Let's put down some marks. I think I want a bit more of that indigo through here. I may have gotten too much water. We'll see. Let's see. I've got this Schmincke pink color from the Haze set. That is really beautiful. Love it. It is a granulating color. So we'll see what kind of granulation we get. Let's take some of this away up here. I want that to be a little less. Maybe more over there. Let's put a little bit more of that pink just through here. Really want this to shine. This paper is not terribly textured, so I don't know how much of the granulation will show up, but we're going to try it anyway. I like that color right there. And actually, let's bring it up just a little bit through here too. And maybe, just because we can, let's add some of that sienna color, or I'm sorry, the sanguine color in here as well. Let's put all the colors down. I'm going to bring this down just a little bit into this area. We get a nice line through there, and then I'm going to add in, let me get that a little wetter, some of the umber. I'm trying to think where I want to, I just want to put it through here, where I put that line. Let's mix up a little bit of the Cherry Pit Black. Make some bold moves through here. This one got a little dark. Let's come in with a little bit of the sanguine. What if we mix the sanguine with a little bit of the umber and a little bit of the Cherry Pit? Ooh, I remember I liked this color yesterday. Very rich. Okay, let's put some lines through here. I really did like the lines that we made with the colored pencil, so let's try that again through here. With the wax, I'm sorry. I thought that was a really fun technique yesterday. Make some lines through there. That's a little messy. Wow, that dried really fast. That's crazy. Let's see. I've got some weirdness going on up here. Let's see if we can. Got some bloomies going on. I don't like the bloomies. See if that fixes that. And a little bit through here too. I don't know if I'm fixing it or just making it worse. I don't like those blooms. I got too much water. That's why it was doing that. Let's come down just like that, maybe. Okay, let's let this dry and then we'll come back. Okay, so we're going to come back with a little bit more of that umber. I want to build this up a little bit through here. Such a pretty color. You might remember when I bought these tubes of paint that I actually ran out of that color and I had to buy a giant tube of it. But I'm not mad about that because it's a really fun color. Let's put some more of this sienna through here. Kind of want that to be a little bit, maybe some up here too. I like that color combo there, the pinky purpley color and that sienna or that umber color. That's really nice. I think I'm going to add some, I think I might use some Graphitint today. Okay, so I've got the aubergine and the chestnut here to work with. We're going to spray. I think I want to bring it like through here. I'm just going to spritz a little bit. Start with the aubergine. Graphitints are not going to be as bold as the ink tints or maybe even the charcoal. But they definitely work in the same way. This will be a nice, I think, complement to that color we've got going on up there. And then we can bring in a little bit of this chestnut too. Yeah. Oh, I like that. So far I like it. Okay. I'm going to give it a little spritz. Where's my paper? Let's get the paper out so we don't like get too crazy. Oh. Got a little crazy. That's all right. Let's come in with our palette knife and just make some marks. You can see that chestnut coming out. I do like the Graphitint pencils with this technique as well. Let's get bold. Let's put some really tall marks through here. I think this is going to work fine. I like the kind of depth we got going on there. I think I want to put some more lines over here. Maybe with just, let's just try it with just the Graphitint. I think I want some more of that. Where did I put it? Some more of this chestnut over in this area a little bit. Okay, let's add some black marks. Oops. So fun. And then I think I'm just gonna add like a few through here. I was laughing, somebody commented the other day. Just gonna put down a few marks and then, or I think that's enough marks. Proceeds to add more marks. It made me giggle. I just want like a few coming through here. Just to kind of give us something down here. And maybe, I can't decide. The timer went off. Just so you know. We're past our time. Oh well. I think I want something coming through here, but I'm not sure what. Let me think about it. Okay, so I've got this yellow ochre pastel. I'm just gonna see what happens if we, yeah, that's too light. It's too much the same. I thought that might happen. But it's pretty subtle. I think I might be okay with that. It's just not quite the right color. It's not quite what I wanted. What happens if we, oh, that's kind of fun. I like that. These little scrapey bits down here. I just kind of wanted more of that color, but I didn't want to put more paint down. Let's put some through here as well. Getting more color. Put some more down. And I could just use, you know, just color it in, but then I might get it too dark. Yeah, I kind of like that. Those are fun marks. Let's see what happens if we, I want to put lines. Okay, I think we're done. I feel like I'm done. Yeah, I think I'm done. Okay, so here it is with a mat, a very dirty mat. Things that I like. Love the pink and the blue. I wish I wouldn't have gotten those specks up there, but it doesn't bother me that much. I like the aubergine color and the sienna and whatever other color, the chestnut marks are fun. I like the kind of the way it flows through here. I'm kind of really liking these wispy skies. Like, I think it works for me. And I like them when they're darker at the bottom and then get lighter at the top. It maybe is supposed to be the other way. I don't know. I guess it can be whatever way I want to make it. But I like the lines. I like these chunky marks of oil pastel that we got down here. Lots of good textures going on in this one. Lots of curvy back and forth, leading you back into the background there. Yeah, I like it. Maybe I wish I would have added more blue, but I kind of like that sort of purpley color that we got with the Payne's Gray and the pink, and the granulation that's going on there is really nice. Overall, pretty happy with this one. Maybe not my favorite that we've done this month, but I did enjoy making it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video. And tomorrow we'll be back for day 26. 3 days left. And then we'll move on to something else that's more fun. Maybe jelly printing. That seems to be a popular opinion. We'll see if we can combine the jelly printing with the watercolor in some way. I've tried it a couple times before, but not really with intention. And I have some new skills now, so maybe it'll work out better this time. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.